Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to answer number 2, problem of present. The problem is about 625 pupils in school with 900 pupils in all have a computers at home. What percent of the pupils has computers? So in solving problem, first we're going to analyze the problem that the given is 900 pupils, 900 total number of pupils, and 625 pupils also. And we have to follow the steps in our solution. We have to pick up all or written all the given information or data. Like pupils, we have 625 and the total of the student is 900. And we'll go back to the questions of the problem. What is asked? So the problem asks what percent of the pupils has computer. So since the total of pupils is 625, so we're going to divide it to the total number of students. So we're going to divide 625 divided by 900, and we have 0.6944. So decimal numbers, we're going to multiply this by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the right. That's why we have 69.44% as our answer. Okay, we have to answer number 3 problem of percent. According to a survey, 80% of housewives said that they preferred to use refined sugar. If there were 3,000 housewives who participated in the survey, how many preferred refined sugar? And this problem, we have to use again our steps for the solution. Pick up the given information or facts or data, like the number of housewives is 3,000 and the rate of is 80%. Then we'll go back again to the questions of the problem, like what is asked in the problem? How many prepared refined sugar? So in this to solve this, so we have to multiply 3,000 times 0.80, and the product is 2,400. So this 2,400 is called the housewives prepared for refined sugar. Okay, that's our final answer.